Started off this project by breaking down an equal piece of 4/4 hard maple. Here I am ripping the 2 rails. Now I'm ripping and cross-cutting the rung. I used a small roundover bit in my router and hit all the edges of the rails and rung. Here I am drilling the holes for the dowels. They'll be used to hold this piece together. This jig is a homemade one based on David Picciuto's how-to video. I'll put a link down below if you're interested. Here I'm marking the placement of the rungs, and I didn't want them to be perpendicular to the front, so I put an angle on them and I used my bevel gauge to transfer that angle. I used dowel centering bits to mark where to drill and transferred all the measurements to the other rail and marked the other side as well. I then proceeded to drill the holes for the dowels. Time to sand all the parts, and Aiden wanted to get into the shop and help, so away he went, with a little help of course. Time to glue this thing up. A little glue in the holes, knocked in the dowels, and vamped it up. The next day, I took it out of the clamps and stained it with Minwax Honey Stain. I finished it off with a few coats of lacquer once the rain stopped a few days later. And here is the finished blanket rack. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment, and be sure to subscribe as I'm going to start making many more projects. Thanks for watching.